Hello everyone, so if you want to enter and exit Fastboot Mode on your Xiaomi Redmi 13, this might be useful if you want to update your firmware or make system changes. So to do that, locate your power button and your volume down button. Those are two buttons which we will need. So first, hold your power button, hold it tightly for a couple seconds, and now simply swipe up to power off your phone. Once the phone is completely off, give it a few seconds to cool off, it's fine. Now we're to locate our power button and volume down button, so hold them simultaneously and our screen will display Fastboot Mode. So as you see, we're entered our Fastboot Mode. Now, to leave from it, simply hold and press your power button right here on the side of your phone for about 7 minutes. The screen will go black and your phone will be restarted into a normal mode. So let's do this. Keep on holding your button until you'll see your Xiaomi logo. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.